Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can hide all Facebook photos. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your Facebook account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the menu icon at bottom right corner of your screen and scroll down a little bit. Now, tap on the Settings and Privacy tab and access Settings. Inside it, scroll down and locate Profile and Tagging. It will be present under the Audience tab. If you can't find it, you can just search for it using the search feature at top right corner. Once you have found it, tap on it and all of the settings related to your posts will be present here. Under the Tagging tab, change the privacy to Only Me and all of your photos will get hidden from all of your friends. So that's basically how you can hide all Facebook photos. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.